With a heavy heart, we are sharing the sudden demise news of Ryan Popple. He was board member of Proterra, the leading innovator of battery electric buses zero emission. He was an American co-founder and a former CEO of Proterra. Presently, a statement released by the firm that the member of Proterra, Ryan Popple, has died is a huge loss for the entire Proterra team. His loved ones, all wishers and friends share their condolences toward his demise soul. They are highly depressed by the sudden passing of their colleague and dear friend Ryan Popple. The sudden passing of Ryan Popple's detail has not been revealed yet, though the cause of his demise is not disclosed. Ryan Popple was an embodied, entrepreneurial, young, talented man who devoted his life to making a better future. He served as a partner at G2 Venture Partners as well. Apart from this, he was a former active duty officer in United States Army, where he put the country period to himself in uniform and civilian life. Therefore, his demise cause has not been revealed yet, and it is complicated to figure out the real details regarding this. As per the sources, his demise might be due to a natural cause. Ryan Popple was the directing inventor of zero-emission battery electric buses. He was a popular employee of Tesla Motor and was a senior director of finance. Sadly, his family information has not been revealed yet to the public. As per his friend and of his well-wishers, he was a husband, father and a good friend. Sad news about Ryan Popple, who last night passed away in his sleep at just 43 years old. There is no details about his wife, children or personal life information, though his leadership role at the Proterra was the first to rose more affordable, sustainable transformation solution to all customers. However, the leader of the family and industry, Ryan Popple, will be extremely missed by his family as well as his all well-wishers. Being an active member of Proterra, the legacy of Ryan Popple will not exist but also in communication throughout the global. His inspiring and transformation vision will forever remain in every Proterra and his loved ones. Speaking about his net worth and income, he has quite a rich source of income from his work. How delicately he used to be in his career before his death. At present, Ryan Popple had an estimated net worth of around 8 lakh to $1 million.